Imagine being able to levitate a magnet above a burning candle flame without it melting or touching the fire, a phenomenon known as magnetohydrodynamic lift. This mesmerizing display of magnetism occurs due to the interaction between magnetic fields and electric currents. Magnetic fields are created by the movement of electric charges, such as electrons in a conductor. When a magnet is brought near a conductor, it induces an electric current in the conductor. This current, in turn, generates a magnetic field that interacts with the original magnetic field of the magnet. The combined magnetic field creates a force that can levitate the magnet above the flame. But that's not the strangest part. This phenomenon also occurs when the magnet is not directly above the flame. It can be levitated above the flame at a distance, as long as the magnetic field is strong enough. This is because the magnetic field can penetrate through the conductor and interact with the electric current. The levitation effect is not limited to just the magnet. It can also be observed with other objects that have a magnetic moment. For example, a small piece of iron or a nickel-plated surface can also be levitated above the flame. Phenomenon is while the combination of electric current magnetic fields and generates the electric force currents. It's like having a pair of invisible hands that can manipulate and control the motion of objects.
The magnetic field acts as a kind of cage that holds the object in place, while the electric current generates the force needed to levitate it.
This is a fundamental principle of magnetohydrodynamics, which is the study of the interaction between magnetic fields and electric currents. Scientists have been studying this phenomenon for centuries, and it has many practical applications in fields such as medicine and engineering. For example, magnetohydrodynamic pumps are used in some medical devices to pump blood through the body. These pumps are powered by a magnetic field that interacts with an electric current to generate the force needed to pump the blood. The use of magnetohydrodynamics in medicine has the potential to revolutionize the way we treat certain diseases. Imagine being able to treat cancer or other diseases with a simple magnetic field. It sounds like science fiction, but it's not. But that's not the only practical application of magnetohydrodynamics. It also has many uses in industry. For example, generators are magnetohydrodynamic powered by the interaction between generators, are magnetic used to fields, and convert the motion of electric fluids into currents, electrical energy. Generators are magnetohydrodynamic powered by the interaction between generators, are magnetic used to fields, and convert the motion of electric fluids into currents, and they can be used to generate electricity in a variety of settings. The use of magnetohydrodynamics in industry has the potential to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and decrease our carbon footprint. But there's still much to be learned about magnetohydrodynamics, and scientists are working hard to understand the fundamental principles behind this phenomenon. Wait until you hear what comes next. Scientists have discovered a new way to harness the power of magnetohydrodynamics using a technique called magnetic induction. Magnetic induction is a process in which a changing magnetic field induces an electric current in a conductor. This current can then be used to generate a magnetic field that interacts with the original magnetic field of the magnet. The combined magnetic field creates a force that can levitate the magnet above the flame, just like in the previous example. But what's even more surprising is that magnetic induction can also be used to create a magnetic field that can levitate objects in midair. It's like having a kind of magic wand that can manipulate and control the motion of objects. The potential applications of magnetic induction are endless, and scientists are working hard to explore its possibilities.
But what about the risks associated with magnetic induction? Can it be used to harm people or damage property?
The answer is no. Magnetic induction is a safe and non-invasive technique that can be used to generate a magnetic field without causing any harm. In fact, magnetic induction is already being used in some medical devices to help treat certain conditions. For example, magnetic induction is being used to help treat patients with Parkinson's disease. The technique involves using a magnetic field to stimulate the brain and help alleviate symptoms of the disease. The use of magnetic induction in medicine has the potential to revolutionize the way we treat certain diseases. But that's not all. Magnetic induction is also being used in industry to improve the efficiency of certain processes. For example, magnetic induction is being used to improve the efficiency of some medical devices. The technique involves using a magnetic field to generate a current that can be used to power the device. The use of magnetic induction in industry has the potential to reduce energy costs and improve the efficiency of certain processes. Want more mind-blowing facts about magnetism? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.
If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.
Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries and stay up to date with the latest research in magnetism. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about magnetism. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more mind-blowing facts.